Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and share reports using Google Analytics. There will be a number of times where you might find yourself having to email or share a statistical report, whether it's for a committee meeting or perhaps you have to send it to a government agency. Google makes it easy for you to do this. So first I've logged into Google Analytics. I've clicked on the reporting tab in the top menu and I selected a time frame from which I want the analytics for. Then in the category list under audience, I've selected geography and location. So I can see the different people who have logged in and viewed my website. So I've selected the statistics I want. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select a primary dimension. And what this allows me to do is I can view either the countries that people have viewed my site from, or the cities. I'm going to select city because I want to see all the different towns nearby who might have viewed my site. So after I've selected the primary dimension, I'm going to scroll down until I get to the show rows. So right now it's showing the first 10 rows, or the top 10 rows, the most popular towns. And if you scroll over to the left, you'll notice, or I should say to the right, you'll notice that I'm only showing 10 out of 924 rows. So there are 924 different cities that people have viewed my site from. So I want to see all of them. So I'm going to select from the Show Rows drop-down menu. I'm going to change the 10 to 1,000. Now that information is going to be updated and I will be able to see all 1,000 towns. If I didn't make that change, when I create my report and share it, you're only going to see the first 10. You won't see any of the other ones. So now if you have your report and you want to share it, you can see every single town that people have viewed the site from. So now I want to share the report. So to share the report, after I've selected the type of information that I want to share, I'm going to scroll up until I get to the top bar here. So I can share either through email or through export. Now, first I'm going to demonstrate the export. On the drop-down arrow next to the word export, I have the option of saving it as a CSV, which is comma separated value, TSV, tab separated, TSV for Excel, or Excel. And this basically allows me to create a statistical report that I can then import into a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel. I can also save this as a Google Sheet that I can share with people, or use a more universal format such as PDF, where people can read the information in most any browser that's out there. So I'm going to select PDF. And now what's happening is I'm waiting for Google to create this PDF. So it's currently showing me that it is now available, and hopefully I can show you that information. So you can see right here, Analytics website. It's been downloaded and it's good to go. So I can now view that in a PDF form. So here's a PDF, and I can scroll down and see every single town that has viewed my website. The other thing I can do now is email it. Let's say I have some committee members who really want to view my statistics, and so I am going to email my statistics to them. So to do that, I'm going to click on email, which appears right next to export, and what's going to happen is this is going to open up my email right here. So it allows me to send from this particular account. I can type an email address, and now this report is going to be emailed to jane@abc.com. And if I want to change the subject, I can change the subject. I can change the format from CSV to PDF. Not everybody uses Excel or spreadsheets, and PDFs are a lot easier. And also I can schedule when these reports go out. Once, daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Type in my personal note and send it, and I'm done.